Give your dog a bone and they'll be back for more. Hi, I'm Emerson with TTPM and this is Spot, Red Alert, Dual Texture, Bone, Chew Toy from Ethical Products. Give your dog a bone and they won't put it down. This Spot, Red Alert, Dual Texture Bone features both durable nylon and flexible rubber accents, which is designed for a long, satisfying chew for your four-legged friend. They also feature a red core, which is a visual indicator to let you know it's time to replace your chew toy. This bone also comes in various sizes and flavors like beef or turkey. These bones were an instant hit with my pups. They kept coming back for more and for more and for more. I also like the inner lining red core safety indicator that told me when this bone was done. That being said, always supervise your dog with these bones and store them out of reach when playtime is over. For where to buy and current prices, visit us at TTPM and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more reviews every day.